Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Children, today we will study the new chapter number 13, Simple Machines. In this chapter, we will study about the machines that we are using in our day to day life. So, first of all, I will tell you what is a machine. Machine is a tool that makes our work easier with less energy and with less time. You can see around you many things that if we want to pull out the nail from the wall, or we want to take the things, a heavy bag upstairs, or if you want to host a flag or cut anything, or if you want to ride a bicycle, we are using these machines. So we will study about these machines. There are different types of machines, like lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, screw and wedge. First of all, we will study about a lever. Lever is a simple machine. A lever helps in exerting force in a such a way that it makes our work easier. Like if it is not easy to pull out a nail from a wooden plank with your bare hands, but it can be easily pulled out by a lever. Even an ordinary spoon can work like a lever to open a tight lid of any box. So we can replace a big rock with the help of lever. So there are main, you can see in the picture, main 3 points in levers. It is load, effort and fulcrum. Children, levers of three types: first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. In first class lever, there are 3 points on a lever, as you know. It is effort and fulcrum and load. What is the effort? Effort is a force that we apply to do any work. Load, that we want to carry load. And fulcrum, it is a point that gives support. It is a point where a lever can move. It gives support, pivot point of a lever. So in first class lever, fulcrum is in the middle, and between the effort and the load. Scissor, you can see scissor, hammer. These are the examples of first class lever. Children, now come to second class lever. In second class lever, the load is between effort and the fulcrum. Load is in between fulcrum and effort. And the examples of second class lever is bottle opener and wheelbarrow. In third class lever, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. So you can say fishing rod, stapler. In fishing rod and staple, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. So this is third class lever. Children, now come to inclined plane. So what is an inclined plane? Inclined plane is a surface that has one end higher than the other end. You must have enjoyed slide in the park or in your school. That is also an inclined plane. In inclined plane, its one end is higher than the other end. And inclined plane is helpful in carrying luggage or heavy load from one place to another. Otherwise, carrying luggage and heavy loads will be difficult if it is carried by the persons on their backs, but by using inclined plane it can be easily carried. So inclined plane is very useful in carrying the things. Now come to pulleys. Pulleys are used to lift heavy weights in a easy ways. Pulley is a small wheel with a groove around its outer edge. This groove can hold the rope in position. So there are two types of pulleys: fixed pulley and movable pulley. You must have seen well. On well, these pulleys are used to draw water from the well. If we draw water by our hands, then it will be very difficult to pull out the rope from the pull out the bucket with the rope from the well. But if we are using the pulley, then it will be easier to draw water from the well. So Pulley, there is two types of pulleys: fixed pulley and movable pulley. In fixed pulley, it is supported by any one point and it is fixed, and one pulley is used. Mostly it is used to draw water from the well, to hoist a flag. And the movable pulleys, they more than one pulleys are used, and they are used to lift very heavy loads. So pulleys are very useful for pulling out the heavy weights. Now come to wheel and axle. This simple machine is the most used machine all over the world. In fact, it is difficult to imagine life without this machine. In buses, cars, everywhere when there is tires are used, these wheel and axle are used. We cannot imagine without the machine wheel and axle. These are used in car, rickshaw, scooter, bus, etc. So what is wheel and axle? The wheel and axle are a simple machine. The axle is a rod that goes through the wheel which allow the wheel to turn. Gears are a form of wheel and axle. So nowadays wheel and axle are the most used machine these days. Now come to screw. A screw is a simple machine used to hold the things together tightly. So we can hold the things together with the help of screw. If we use a nail to hold the things together, but it will be easier to pull them apart. But if they are the screw are used, then it will be difficult to it is not easy to make them separate. So screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylindrical or cone, and it is commonly used to hold objects together. You must have seen in your home also that with the help of screws many things are hold together. So now come to wedge. A wedge has two inclined planes placed together in the shape of V. Wedge is a simple machine that we use in many ways in our daily life. Wedge is used for cutting and splitting things. Many garden implements and agriculture implements are wedges. So examples of wedges: blade, knife, and axe, etc. So children, this is all about chapter number 13, simple machine. Thank you.